Can you come do the steps for me? Can you do the steps for me? Can you do the steps?
Are you gonna? No, she wants to do what Grandma does.
Okay. Well, I'll be up here now. Good job.
Are you done vacuuming?
No, we're not done.
You're not done yet? You're not done vacuuming? You missed a spot under the couch. You missed a spot over there, baby. Don't forget. Come on, man. Let's see you vacuum. Ah! You're like a crazy vacuumer. What you gonna do now? You gonna vacuum the step? Roxy, do you like to vacuum? Oh God, you're going fast now. You like to vacuum? Don't forget underneath the chair. Whoa. Did you vacuum until you fell? You silly girl. Did you vacuum until you fell? You like to vacuum?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you sing me a song?
No.
No? Okay. Mwah. Grandma's vacuuming. Hurry. You want Grandma vacuum with you? It's Grandma.
You know what I mean about the socks?
Yeah.